Python execute playsound in separate thread. I need to play a sound in my Python program, so I used playsound module for that. How can I modify this to run inside main method as a new thread? I need to run this method inside the main method if a condition is true. When it is false, the thread needs to stop.
Use threading library.
You may not have to worry about using a thread. You can simply call playsound as follows. This will allow the program to keep running without waiting for the sound play to finish.
As Python multithreading is not really multithreading, more on this here, I would suggest using a multiprocess for it. Can be terminated at will with p.terminate.